Hi guys, I hope you all are doing really well. So, let us discuss today a new topic which is electrical insulators. So, we already know electricity powers are required so much in our daily life, right? But in this electricity world, how do we stay safe from it and how do we work with it without getting any shock? So, that's where the insulator come into play. Now, first of all, let us define what is an insulator. So, the insulator are material that stops the electricity from flowing through them easily. That means basically they resist, they stop it, they push it back. Now, while the conductors, they let it flow easily, right? Now, basically, in simpler words, we can say insulator blocks the current. Now, right here in an insulator, we can basically say the electrons are pretty much tightly bound with their atom. So, the electricity is not able to easily flow through them, which basically means that we having our an insulator. Now right here, as you can you see the wire? And I guess you have seen it like many times in your home, that we supposed to be have like something like, let's say, a wire with the covering, let's say red or a black or a yellow covering. With that we supposed to have some golden copper kind of wires. Now that part inside will be considered as a conductor, and outside the covering is your insulator, basically the material that does not carry an electricity and also help you to be away from that current to not get a shock. Now let us discuss various examples of an insulator. So now we already discussed what's an insulator. So insulator does not allow the electricity to pass through them. As you can see, the various examples that we have right here in the circuit, as you can see, a wood. If you added a wood in a circuit, it automatically stops the current to flow further. That means the bulb will not glow. That means if you touch a bulb, it will not get a shock. Same as that, we have various examples that could be included as a glass, a rubber, a plastic, even oil as considered. So basically, they all are pretty much safe to keep us away from, or keeping us away from the electric current. Clear? Also, like this rubber thing, which is basically the electrical covering with the wires, or many times people wear the electrical gloves to away from that current. Now next to that, what are basically the importance of the insulator? So, as we have already discussed, without them, it can be very serious risk every time we use an electrical device. Insulator provides a protective barrier, we can say, which ensure that electricity stay away from us and doesn't harm us. For example, right here, can you see a person working with wires, but he's wearing a glove, or she's wearing a glove? Why is that? Because these gloves are made up of rubbers, which basically provides a protective barrier which stops the current flow through from that wire towards the skin. So basically it stops from there. Same as that, a person working with the electrical meters or wires or towers, he usually wears a proper, we can say, a costume, proper gear, so that he will not get any shock. Same as that, so many other things around us, if you notice, that are as a insulator, which basically help us and protect us. To check that out around you. I hope you'll understand regarding the insulator. That's all for today. Now I'll see you in the next. Bye bye. Have a nice day.